I hear roosters. They're growing back kind of steadily. They're still kind of bare. One of my neighbors has a rooster. I haven't. Great. And now someone is setting off fireworks. Have not added anything else down here yet. I don't know if they're gonna come back anymore this summer, since that little animal came in and ate it. Like really neglected those for a good little minute. That is a new little fruit or leaf. This tomato plant is doing big well. Last week I was looking at this. Like, first I'm gonna go in and clean it out. I cleaned it out. Like in that one there, I can see like the bulb right there. I've cleaned out most of that side. There's the root system and the bulb attached. I was a little aggressive. Now I'm about ready to take out these ones that are dead. I'm not going to mess with these because they're still in bloom. Got most of the plant out. Not for sure. Alrighty, we'll see. Is that I might come across here. I might move that hosta to over here and start planting those down here. Okay, so let's see what I did. I took those plants out of there, cleaned out the whole little area, and I started back messing with this fence again to keep the rabbits and the groundhog out. I started using zip ties to help close it. Broccoli is out. I moved the hosta that was over here and the one that was over there. Now I have like a little border here, and this is where I moved those other plants. So we're gonna see how this is gonna work. A nice little pathway. Fix the soil. I need to put more soil on top. That's just more in there. I'm gonna move that, but this is what they're looking like. Okay.